Ladies and gentlemen, the way our country is going, so many things now they happen. Now everybody they go out, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar. We not send our only manners. They say suya. Now Yoruba boys don't join them. Because not today, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my father is a man that is very proud. That was when he had money, not be now. The man don't know yet. My father will come back from work. You will just see everybody running around. Baby, where is your mother? Where is my food? All of us go they run around. Yes, because he spent money. But now when the man know the people come out money, if you just come only and they walk straight to dining. Because once he shout, my mama they shout, give her. Hey! You bring money. I will go chop your food. Last time when he come back, he go drink. He don't forget say, he no drop money. Money where drop no reach anything. It is now before. As he just come back, hey, Mama Benji, where is my food? He never even shout. My mama say, what is wrong with you? Come on, go to the dining and eat your food. As the man enter dining, open plate, the soup they black, only herself. Mama Benji, which kind of soup is this? Mama say no shout, how much you drop? 700 naira. I buy everything for market. Money no reach buy the oil. Now you engine oil computer. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who know the enter bus, now no one understand what I want to do. How be say I don't get motor? I say I just enter bus, don't think. I never say I smoke no day. Boys when they thief phone, they don't get different ways to the thief phone. Before if you dey inside motor, you dey like this. They want to keep your phone. If your phone dey your front pocket, the guy wey want keep am go straight hand to the window. Like say you want open the window, you go use the other hand, remove your phone. So many people don't learn and know they work again. The new style, me went inside Sochi, iPhone 6, where they use manage. The guy who want to keep my phone, I sit down here, me I get here. As close to the road, wait till here like. As the guy speaks in my body, I dodge. As I dodge, the huge man took my phone. He come up small. I don't know. Me when I want to be phone, and they tell the guy, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you. People can't join me. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Small time. If you ever do the same thing, me I judge again. The guy, shoot, the phone only reach up, I don't know. The third time, as the guy sleeps, I see person come up for front. Now say, God, I beg, wait, let I go front. The guy tell me, say, no, why you go down in the next one? The guy tell me in the next one, I don't know what he means. I said, what you mean say next means, they say, you don't reach. Now first keep balance. The guy come again. I said, do the top one. Now quick stand up. As I stand up, my phone don't go. As my phone go, you know when you lose your phone, you don't go. Motor don't move. Now I realize say my pocket no tight like before. No limit. God, I beg you, make it not be better than it. I just buy this phone. As I drink and I cry, my phone. One guy just told me, young man, are you a new person in Nigeria? In Lagos? Don't you know if you enter bus, you buy jacket, pick your phone. See my own. As the guy open the phone, they don't give up. I two of us got the place. model. As he hit the guy, the rich guy come down. Say, young man, please, I'm sorry. I will fix it for you, okay? The guy did not get waiting. We never get money. See road. We never get along. See my car. We don't want the number. The guy will carry for motor. We don't know the difference between Range Rover Sport and Passat 1964 model. See, why you starting with that man? Why not take this man and break his side mirror? And the guy left baby. Now he carry this man now. Break the guy's side mirror. The thief break the guy. Now he have for pocket. Quick! Call Ladipo. Hello, is that Ladipo? He say, yes. Please, how much is bumper of Passat 1964 model? They say, okay, original is 1,000. China is 800. The man said, okay, supply me 15. They supply 15. If this one, then the guy is 14. Now the guy is like, you only know Ladipo. See you. Now he's there, come out for pocket. Hello? Now, please, how much is a side mirror of Range Rover Sport? You want? Should I network, baby? You know the guy where they come? Hello? I said Range Rover Sport. Side mirror. I said side mirror, not be the full car. What is the top? Side mirror. Is that much? Wait, original is how much? Which country is this now? Original 8.5. How much is China? 5.2. I don't die. Okay. How much you can buy Passat? Ladies and gentlemen, that's my friend. God bless you. Money come down.
You know, sir, I want for your land, you will come. Start before elders, if you don't get no problem. Now, why they greet you now before I say this boy don't get them pride. Good evening, Lagos. I've been for no people there for you. Now, only Yoruba people, you go stand for their front. Yoruba people, they greet for everything. In the morning, you will hear a caro. In the afternoon, a castle. In the evening, a pulare. In the evening, in the night, a kale. You stand, a kudro. You sit down, a kujogo. You mess, a kuso. Amram has visited my house. They made the one with my laptop and my phone. The next morning, my mother was sitting there.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. That was my time.
Come back yesterday and he bought bread. And they laugh. My uncle buy bread, come in house. You know, say you get the way your house go dark, but you still know your way around. My uncle just enter kitchen, open fridge, carry something, they run for bread. You know, say that Nivea cream. My uncle chop bread with Nivea cream. He tongue come the bleach. I beg. You see this way they tell you, say, they go to warn you, say, Emeka, show us the girl and go to sleep. That word na scam. If you never ready to marry, no answer them all. Show us the girl and go to sleep. When you ready, and those your friends will first you sleep. No go rush. Girls will tell you, say, you know I'm from Enugu, our price is 1,500. Nah, scam. If you go to the village, the full marriage list, 1 million never sort about. When I escort one guy, go marry somewhere for Enugu. The guy go to print the marriage list. He come back, say the thing was too bulky. They don't fit even step plan. They can't give us the marriage list for flash drive. So now I go back. Speak at the work. But that will not pay me. You don't spread. They disturb everybody. Now you won't make announcements. Comedian won't make announcements for the show. The mic because the echo. And you go, it sound like say you be ghost. I'm surprised that go one and they announce make women don't carry their food. Waiting that they have on the microphone. People, off. Jabba, women, association. Come on, carry your rice. I can't they want that. See, I don't talk ghosts. Guys hang out by themselves, then they enjoy themselves, enjoy their money. But once you say guys come with girls, and the boys they spend, and the girls they enjoy. Just imagine 2 guys walk out with 2 girls, then enter bar. Then bring money for them. Everybody don't order, then they drink, they chop, enjoy. Now they don't chop finish, they won't go out. It can't be say the door of the bar, they record customer sales, so that they go know who they will appreciate at the end of the day. Now the 2 girls, so that they don't front. You know say when girls don't chop your money, then they walk out fast to go out. The 2 girls now are in the front, and then they approach the door. The door will come and record these 2 girls. You come here, thinking, shawarma, 3,008. Thinking, suya, 2004. Smell of ice, half crates. Then this last one, I don't know how girls get like this thing. I don't know which one I won't bought for us. You come here, shisha, 6,200. You come total, 31,500. Just 2 girls. Now the 2 idiot boys will pay the money. They don't pay near the door. And they approach the door the first side. Just 2 sticks of Benson. And 1 bottle of Fragrance water. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I got to say.
Be like 10 or 12 hours, give quick notice. Only 6 months, you get. And you know, say if they give quick notice, now the agent be your friend. Not do. It's when you try to no. You know, I can't even notice it when about they call music primary, this song so sweet. The way the theater they play for my head, man. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for my master, Papa. Today is my birthday. Don't clap for me now. Yeah. Thank you. I'm 30 today. Thank you. Today is his birthday as well. The case is his birthday as well. Thank you. And our birthday. To Baba, God bless you. You inspire me a lot. Sincerely. Every day, in fact, I want to name my children according with you. You will be their godfather. your mistake.